How to sell emojis and make money 2023. Selling emojis is the same as other design selling gigs where you create a design, market, or submit it on a website. You make money if someone purchases it or if your design gets accepted on a website. Creating designs can be difficult and requires you to invest in software. However, designing emoji is a piece of cake. Select a template, add some elements, and it's done. Within a minute, you can create a free design that sells for over $100 or more. As per Pipeline, over 92% of the online population uses emojis daily, with 10 billion emojis sent every day. The market is huge, and it can be a high-paying side hustle with minimum effort, but only if you get it right. Designing anything in your head won't work. This is Norbipole TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. In this video, we will learn to design emojis for free and sell emojis on multiple websites. How to design unique emojis that sell fast. What comes to your mind when you think of the word emoji? Is it the laughing face with tears out, or is it the emoji with star eyes? Think of emojis that you use every day on your mobile phone while chatting with your friend. People love these emojis, but they're common, and you cannot sell them. Don't waste your time creating these emojis or anything related to this. What you need to do is to create the unique one. The emojis that you wanted to use but failed to find. Design that. Look for objects around you like building, vehicles, plants, earphones, heater, walls, table, doormat. It can be anything, but unique. Search the type of conversation people does on Google. You'll find plenty of ideas to create emojis. You can use this website to get ideas of emojis. Emojipedia is called the encyclopedia of emojis. They got hundreds of categories and millions of emojis. It's the best place to browse for ideas. Also look idea from Emojidera. The following are websites to design emojis for free. Websites to design an emoji for free. You just need a smartphone to design. You can use plenty of apps on the Play Store or App Store, but I'll suggest you start with these best websites. 1. Canva is currently the hub of designing. It's an online beginner-friendly software, easy and available for all. It's free to use, but you get a limited number of elements. If you're looking around, then the free version is enough. You can download free elements from stock sites like Pizabe or flaticons to use them in your designs. It consumes more time, but it's for free. If you're serious, then invest in a subscription. You can find a cheap Canva Pro subscription on Tools Ninja or ask people on Facebook groups. Usually, they sell it at a cheaper rate. 2. Flaticon is a huge website with millions of free icons to download. Think of an icon, and it'll be on Flaticon. They provide an inbuilt editor where you can change color, add shapes, shift the icon, and increase or decrease the size of the emoji. They don't provide many customization options, but it's worth trying if we look at the number of icons. 3. Emoji Maker. I found this software while searching on Google. Emoji Maker is a decent software and free to use. However, they only provide the option to create face emojis. If you're interested in creating something unique, this one is not for you. Note that, professional software, they're not free, but equally important if you wish to stand out. CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator is the best ones to go with. How to sell emojis online. After designing an emoji, now let's see the best website to sell them. The awesome emoji you just created needs a buyer. There are 3 best of websites to sell emojis. 1. Emogination. Emogination accepts emojis designs, and they're currently working on a 2022 update. They don't have a separate portal to submit a design. You need to contact them for a proposal using the Contact Us option on their website. They also got a social community on our Slack and Airtable. Join them to get constant updates. There is no clarification for payments, you need to check it directly with their team. It's a good website and provides you with a list of emojis they have accepted or rejected. 2. 99 Designs. At 99 Designs, you can hire a designer for your next project. It's a huge website with many opportunities, but they don't focus a lot on emoji selling. Still, they sometimes accept designs. If you have something pending in your design list, send it to 99 Designs. Maybe they'll accept, and you make money. However, there is no guarantee. 3. Emoji. Emoji Company is one of the most expressive and influential brands globally. They've registered trademarks in up to 35 classes in more than 100 countries in the world. If you're starting and trying to sell 1 or 2 emoji designs, the Emoji Company is not for you. They provide work through licensing where you need to create emojis to promote brands related to entertainment, gaming, gambling, promotions, and events. It's much more than creating an emoji design that includes UI and UX, video stuff for emojis, and more. There aren't many websites accepting emojis, and the wait times can be huge. You don't want to send and wait for months only to hear they rejected your emojis. The best way to sell is to be in front of the customers. Uploading your designs on a freelancing marketplace could be a solution. This is Norbipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.